Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create, actually let me get out of here. I'm going to show you how to create a next button that pulsates. So 3, 2, 1. That'll come up here and go to white and orange, go back and forth, go to the next slide, have it hit when the end of the timeline hits, and there it goes again. Go backwards, it resets, wait for it again, click onto the next. So it's there at the end of the timeline on both of these, but you can put it anywhere. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the a master slide and put in this JavaScript. The first function right up here is change the border color to white, and then change it to orange, and make it border width to a 3. And it just goes back and forth, yo-yo back and forth forever. And then the second function that we are going to do is to clear it. And down here we clear it right away, and on the highlight next button, you can do that at the end of the timeline, or after you click 5 things, or whatever it is that you want to them to do before they go to the next slide. After that, we just put in this simple JavaScript, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching.